So here we have this VEVOR power tool organizer. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so here's all the pieces to put it together. It also comes with a little pack of nuts and bolts and an instruction manual. Anyway, I went ahead and put it together. It was super easy, took about 10 minutes. My first thoughts after putting it together, these corners are kind of sharp, they're not rounded over. Same thing on this side, these are a little sharp as well. Also, one of these welded connections here did break on me, which is a bit unfortunate. But anyway, now I'm going to go ahead and hang this thing up. Alright, so I used those 4 drywall anchors to hang it up. It has 4 of these hooks on the side that are pretty handy for hanging stuff up. Then right above that is this plate with holes in it that fits screwdrivers pretty well. Then on the other side is another plate that does a decent job at holding hammers. Moving over to the middle, there's 7 slots where you can hang up power tools. It works best for screw guns, but it does fit other tools. The back is pretty sturdy, but the pieces that stick out are a little flimsy. They still hold the tools just fine though. Anyway, right above those are these wire shelves, and these are pretty flexible. They're definitely not very sturdy. Would have been nice to see a bit more support on them. Also, when I was hanging this up, the top shelf did have a bit of a problem where it just completely broke apart. You can see both of the tabs on this side are broken off, and then moving over to the other side, one of these tabs is broken off, and then lifting this up, the other one breaks off just a little too easily. So unless I just got a defective product, the welding quality on this just isn't the best. This middle shelf is holding up just fine, but again, it doesn't seem like there's much of a weld on it connecting it to the plate. So yeah, I mean, the bottom works just fine for holding your power tools like your drills, but when it comes to the other 2 shelves, they're definitely a bit flimsy and lack a bit in quality.